Hello and welcome back to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen. Today I'm going to whip up a comforting, healing, and easy breakfast or any meal pancake that's gluten-free, dairy-free, keto, and anyone following an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. First, I went ahead and I cut one onion and a carrot. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds and help heart health and inflammation. Carrots are rich in vitamin K and beta carotene for bone health and vision. I cut these fine. Please be careful when cutting. Put the chopped veggies in a bowl. I'm adding 1 cup of almond flour, a quarter cup or half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of liquid aminos in place of soy sauce, a quarter teaspoon or 2 pinches of Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt has better hydration, improves pH balance, and enhances muscle function. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of thyme, a quarter teaspoon or less of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of xanthan gum. This helps to bind the ingredients together so it doesn't break when frying. There's still a debate whether this is anti-inflammatory. I have been using this for years and I had no issues with this. Add 2 spoons of warm water to this. Mix this all together. When mixing this together, the liquid aminos and thyme smell so woodsy and so aromatic. In a pan, I added 2 teaspoons of avocado oil and I made sure that the pan was well greased. Make sure to spread the mixture evenly and flat. After 7 or 8 minutes on each side, flip the pancakes. Okay, hubby, try some.
Who's hubby? You're married?
And look
tasty.
Look at the insides. Oh.
Inside. What's in this?
Almond flour. Can you believe it?
This tastes like the Korean pancake, you know? The kind you get from the Korean restaurant. Quite tasty. You say it's egg-free, gluten-free, and also keto-friendly. This is pretty good. It's pretty good. Highly recommended.
Thank you for watching this, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes that I will be posting soon. Make sure you leave me a comment on what you thought of this video and what you want to see next.